After an excellent breakfast at the resort, we arranged to go for a fish watching tour at Dangli Marine Reserve in the Andaman Sea. A car picked us up and drove us across the island to a small harbour, where we bought some bags of fish food, which was actually dried bread. We then climbed aboard a small speedboat and headed out into the ocean. We stopped near the small island of Pulau Dangli, where other people were already swimming, to view the fish. There were many small, colorful fish who were very excited by the dried bread. Neo and I took many pictures. I got to use my underwater camera to capture close-ups. After about an hour of drifting near the island and taking pictures, we headed back to the shore. There we met a very lazy local cat. We spent the rest of the afternoon relaxing on the resort's private beach. began taking lots of drone flights to capture images of the villas on stilts and the resort. For supper, we had booked a reservation at the resort's Thai restaurant. Which was located on a pier jutting out into the sea from the far end of the resort. The Thai food was wonderful and the atmosphere was serene. Another enjoyable day on Langkawi Island.